This is Vance Chemistry Urdu channel. I am discussing about organic chemistry for BSc classes and lecture is by Shanza Asif Vance. Now chapter under discussion is nitrogenous compounds, and we are discussing about benzene diazonium salt synthesis. That means which type of compounds can be prepared by this reagent, diazonium salt. Diazonium salt is very reactive. Why it is reactive? Because why this is reactive? Because nitrogen has positive charge. It want to eliminate N2. N2 is highly stable, and N2 is very stable compound, and that is also a point that making it diazonium salt as a reactive group. After removing N2, it become that reagent, and it is very reactive because it want to regain its aromaticity. So substitution and preparation of following compound is very easy. That means we can prepare phenol, we can prepare halobenzene, that means iodobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, fluorobenzene. We can also prepare easily biphenyl, and we can also easily prepare phenylhydrazine. So first synthesis of phenol. Now we are discussing synthesis of phenol by diazonium salt. It is so reactive that even water can attack on carbon, and N2 is eliminated, and what product is formed? Phenol is formed. But conditions are, we will take H2SO4 as catalyst, and temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. Phenol is prepared. If we want to prepare iodobenzene, that cannot be easily prepared by electrophilic substitution. We will only take potassium iodide salt. What's happen? That iodine replace diazo with iodine. That means N2 is eliminated easily. It want to eliminate, it want to form more stable product, that is N2. And what is obtained? Iodobenzene. If we want to prepare fluorobenzene, now we want to prepare fluorobenzene. First, diazonium salt is prepared, but it is prepared in the presence of special reagent. One is NaNO2, but acid is added, that is HBF4. When HBF4 is added, then diazonium salt is produced with BF4 minus. That fluoridine attack on benzene, N2 is eliminated. BF3 is released as such, and stable product is also eliminated as N2. This is preparation of fluorobenzene. Now what is third synthesis obtained by diazonium salt, that is synthesis of biphenyl. Benzene diazonium salt is highly unstable and reactive. It wants to be stable. Even when we add water, its lone pair will attack on nitrogen, so that positive charge should be eliminated, as nitrogen is more electronegative, should not have positive charge. And what is produced? PH and double bond is formed. Homolytic cleavage take place when there are two same compounds two same element. In compound, two same element are present, then bond is equally broken. How? N2 is eliminated and two radicals are formed. N2 is eliminated and two radicals are formed. One is phenyl radical and other is hydroxyl radical. Two things are obtained. That is benzene ring, and phenyl radical is attacking on it. How phenyl radical is attacking? In this way, that one of electron is making bond with phenyl radical and one electron is present on it. What is formed? Here will be radical. There is attached phenyl group. Now in second step, you know that in this step, that step is slow and aromaticity is lost. So to regain aromaticity, what's happened? OH radical was produced in first step, is attacking on that hydrogen. That bond is shifted to, one of electron is shifted to hydrogen bond and one of electron is given here, and that radical is also involved in aromaticity. Again I will explain that process. Now what's happened? One of electron of this bond is given to OH radical to form water, and one of electron is given to that benzene ring, so that aromaticity should be recovered. Aromaticity should be recovered. That is biphenyl. is also formed another, that is phenylhydrazine. Now we are preparing phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine. It is easily prepared only by reduction. Easily prepared from diazonium salt only by reduction. Diazonium salt is in the presence of zinc in acetic acid, that is reducing agent, that will reduce the N2 into NH2, that is hydrazine. Second synthesis is, last one synthesis is deamination. What is deamination? Deamination is removal of amino group. That means in first step, aniline, in the presence of sodium nitrite HCl, it is converted into benzene diazonium salt, and powerful reducing agent, that is H3PO2, in the presence of water. It will form benzene. Amino group is removed. H3PO2 is converted into H3PO3. N2 is eliminated. Work hard, stay at home, subscribe my channel.